Right then, Alaska, here we come.
Look at those mountains! They're huge!
I may have packed 1 or 2 extras.
1 or 2?
I think you placked the whole house.
Now this is incredible.
Look! A giant bird! That's an eagle! Everything is so big!
And we've only just started.
Wow, look at those mountains! The route looks perfect. Waffle, look! I don't think he's blinking. This place is amazing!
I think we found the perfect campsite. Don't worry, everyone. I've got this.
That's exactly what worries me. Maybe we should read the instructions.
Instructions are only suggestions.
Daddy disappeared!
I knew that was going to happen. Oh. These definitely looked easier in the shop.
You're holding them upside down.
I told you I'd get it done.
Well done.
Eventually.
Yay! We did it! Woof! These smell amazing.
Best campsite dinner ever. Hey!
It stole dinner!
Come back here!
I don't think it speaks English. Only one. Waffle! He's too fast. Waffle!
After him!
It's beautiful.
I'll never forget this. In Canada, there are lots of bears, and that's why you never leave food outside.
Waffle? What's wrong? He's listening to something.
It's probably just a rabbit.
He never acts like this.
Waffle!
After him!
I saw him! He's in him! I saw him!
Waffle!
Come back!
Waffle!
I think Waffle must be following the scent of an animal. I just want Waffle back.
We'll find him.
We're gonna find him.
Look! These must be Waffle's footprints. We have to follow his footprints.
Wait. Those aren't all waffles.
That handprint is enormous.
Those footprints don't belong to a dog. They are enormous.
Something made those.
I am scared.
Did you hear that?
I can't read the map anymore. Hang on. I think we're still on the right trail. Oh no, we have lost the map!
Well, we will have to find our way without a map.
Still nothing. No signal.
Run!
I think Waffle's gone. I want Waffle to come back.
There, look.
A cabin! We're saved!
Do you think someone's inside?
Let's find out. Hello?
I don't think anyone's here.
Hello?
I don't think anyone's here.
It looks like someone left in a hurry.
At least we're warm.
Let's have a careful look around.
Dad, these footprints aren't old.
You're right. They're fresh.
So,
So, someone was here.
are they still here? Daddy, look.
That's fur.
It looks like Waffle's fur.
It just might be.
I knew he came here.
We're getting closer.
If Waffle was here, he must have gone somewhere. Dad, I found them.
Paw prints.
They're heading outside.
Stay together.
The tracks are still fresh. We're coming, Waffle. I'm going to find him.
I know you will.
Lead the way, Rosie.
Our best tracker. Did you hear that?
Stay behind me.
Everybody stay still.
It's only a baby.
It looks scared.
Don't move. Let's not frighten it.
Dad, if there's a cub,
Its mum won't be far around. Slowly, let's give the little one some space.
Come on, Rosie. We'll keep looking for Waffle.
I hope your mummy finds you too. Mummy?
It's all right, sweetheart.
Nobody move. Stay calm.
she was just looking for her baby.
Just like we were.
She's a good mum.
Bye, little bear.
They're together again.
We helped without even trying.
Come on, let's go and find Waffle.
I knew we'd find him!
Thank goodness, there he is.
I missed you so much.
I think he missed you too.
Look at his tail.
He's safe.
Still nothing.
We'll keep going. We're together.
We'll find our way.
I'm never letting you run off again.
Come on, let's find our way home.
We can do it together.
Together.
Yes! We're over here!
Someone found us.
How did you find us?
We never stop looking. We'll never forget this.
I think Waffle's tired.
I don't think we'll ever forget today.
Sometimes the biggest adventures aren't the ones you plan.
And sometimes being lost helps you find what's most important.
I've got everything I need now. I'm so glad Waffle came home. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another story. I hope we'll see you on our next adventure.
Thanks for watching.
Good night, everyone.
Bye!